ever pondered the significance of data extraction and reporting in the marketing industry? Well, in a world where data is the new gold, marketing professionals are the miners, extracting valuable insights from vast data mines to drive business success. Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm renowned for its expertise in data extraction and reporting. Over the past 12 years, Blackcoffer has been instrumental in aiding numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions in harnessing the power of data. One of the recent projects undertaken by Blackcoffer involves a leading marketing firm in the USA. The objective? To prepare a daily report for the companies and upload it to Google Sheets. The data, extracted from CallRail database, contains all call information about a company. The solution provided by Blackcoffer is a simple yet powerful one. Using the CallRail API, Blackcoffer meticulously extracts data from the database. The data is then filtered to remove any excess, ensuring only the most relevant information is included. A report is then prepared, containing the company name, status, location, customer name, call date, call time, contact number, call status, and call lead. To ensure the data is easily accessible and can be updated in real time, Blackcoffer uploads the report to Google Sheets. This process is automated and runs once a day in the morning hours, ensuring the data is always up to date. The tool is deployed to Heroku, a cloud platform service where apps are run directly from a cloud source, eliminating the need for physical servers. The tool is monitored daily, a crucial step in ensuring the proper amendment of data to Sheets without overwrite. This daily monitoring was one of the technical challenges faced during the project execution. But with careful planning and execution, Blackcoffer was able to overcome it. So to recap, Blackcoffer provides an end-to-end solution for data extraction and reporting. Through a combination of CallRail API, BigQuery, Sheets API, and Python, Blackcoffer extracts data, filters out excess information, prepares a report, and uploads it to Google Sheets. This data is then monitored daily to ensure accuracy and relevance. This exceptional solution by Blackcoffer underlines the importance of data extraction and reporting in the marketing industry. By effectively mining and utilizing data, marketing professionals can gain valuable insights, drive business success, and stay ahead of the competition. And remember, in the world of marketing, data isn't just gold, it's the new diamond waiting to be polished and shine. Thanks to Blackcoffer, this diamond is now within reach.